Why do cats purr when they are being petted? It's not just a sign of happiness. There's surprising science behind this soothing sound that reveals much more about your feline friend. When a cat starts purring while you pet it, it's often because they feel safe and comfortable. Purring is their way of saying they are relaxed and happy in your presence. This low-frequency sound is produced by the rhythmic twitching of muscles in the voice box, which creates the familiar, gentle vibration. But it's not just about feeling good. Purring is also a powerful communication tool cats use to connect with their owners and other cats. One surprising fact is that purring can actually help cats heal. The vibrations produced fall within a frequency range that promotes tissue regeneration and reduces pain. This means when your cat purrs while being petted, it might be calming itself and even helping its own body repair faster. Scientists believe these healing frequencies evolved to help cats recover from injuries in the wild, making purring a natural self-care tool. Purring also serves as a form of communication, especially between cats and humans. When your cat purrs during petting, it's a sign of trust and affection. Cats learn that purring gets positive responses from people, reinforcing the bond. They can even purr when anxious or sick to comfort themselves and elicit care from owners. This dual role of purring as both a comfort and communication tool makes it a fascinating behavior. So next time your cat purrs while you pet it, remember it's not just happiness. It's a complex blend of comfort, healing, and communication. That little vibration holds secrets about your cat's health and feelings. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never miss a fascinating fact about the world around you.